Alright guys, welcome to this lecture. Sets in Python. Sets are unordered collections that store only unique items. How we can create sets? We can create sets just like list but using curly braces. Okay? For lists we use square brackets and for sets we use curly braces. So let's create a set. Colors equals red, blue, green. Now the thing is, no duplicates are allowed here. Let's create colors equals red, blue, red. The thing is, only one red will be stored. Let's execute it. See? Now set operations. Union, intersection, difference. Let's create two sets. A 1, 2, 3. B 2, 3, 4. Let's print A and B. What do you think? What will get printed? It will print 2 and 3. Yes. Because what are the elements that are already there in A and also there in B? Now, when to use sets? Sets are great for removing duplicates, checking membership quickly, and performing math-like operations on groups of data. That's it for sets. In our next lecture, we are going to explore one more important data structure in Python, and that is dictionaries, key value pairs. Yes. So see you in our next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.